Welcome back. In a previous session, we understand the concept of define valuation levels. Coming to this session, we are going to create a plants. See, this is our organizational structure. This one, we are going to create this plant and this plant. 8801 distribution center, 8802 sales plant. Now go to the path, go back. Here you will find define, copy, delete, check plant. Click on this one. Click on define plant. Double click. So click on new entries. Here enter 8801. See, name 1, name 2 means if your name is lengthy, you can enter here. If your plant name is lengthy, you can enter in name 2 as well. In real time, factory calendar configuration will be done by either HR consultant for payroll or FICO consultant. If it is a production plant, based on the production plant working days, they will do this factory calendar configuration. Here we are going to select this one, factory calendar. Click on save. Select company. Enter here country. I am entering only the minimum fields required. Press enter. Save in same DR. We have successfully created one plant. You can create another from here. Next entry. Enter 8802 store. Select. You can press F4. Select this one. Click on save. Enter country here. Press enter. Save this. We have successfully created two plants. Next step, define, copy, delete, check, division. See, division is a group of similar products or product line in SAP. This is one way of grouping your product. Division is required for creating sales order in SD. That is mandatory. You cannot skip this configuration. This will be part of your material master. Go to this path, logistic, general, define, copy, delete, check, division. See, here you will find division. Click on this one. Click on define division. See, here you can take this example division. See, pumps, one division, motorcycle, paints, lighting. These are the standard one delivered by SAP. This is one way of grouping your product. So how we are grouping means, when you create the material master, there you are going to enter this division. So in our case, I'm going to use this one, retail. Since it is already created, if you want to create it again, division 08 is still required as a customer division. I'm getting this one because of other reasons. So go back. Deselect this one. This division, I will show you how to create it. Since it is already used, we can't delete this division. We are going to use 88 only. I will show you how to create. Click on new entries. Here enter Z8 retail. I'm going to create only one division. I don't have different groups here. Whatever the articles created, I am going to select retail only. Like this, you have to create. Simple. Even though we created this one, for this course, I am going to use double eight, double eight. Go back. For your practice, you create only double eight only. This one, retail. Now go to notes. Now this step assign plan to company code. This is the step, a very important step, because here we are going to link this. See, my organization structure is like this. Here I have company code, here I have plant, here I have another plant. So now we are going to establish the relationship like this. Distribution center and plant. This plant and this plant is getting assigned to this company code. Now next to go to assignment, logistics general, assign plant to company code. Go back. No. Click on assignment. Go to logistics general. Here you will find this one, assign plant to company code. Click on this one. Click on new entries. If you want to access this screen, see T code is OX18. Click on new entries. My company code is 8800 and my plant is 8801. This is second plant 8802. This is the way you are going to establish the relationship between company code and plant. Press enter. Save this. Now go to notes. Now group together evaluation area. Here I am going to use this. If you want to go through path, this is the path. Open another session. This is the T code for group together evaluation area. Click on display. See, I am getting this like this, data locked by user display only. In IDES server, what will happen? Many students are practicing, so same screen is getting accessed by many students. So in that case, you are going to get like this. If other users are also accessing the same T code like OMWD, you are going to get like this. If you are getting like this, what we are going to do? We are going to kill that session used by others. So open another session here. From here itself, create a session. Go to SM12. There is a T code called SM12. Enter the username, whatever the username you are getting. For example, I am accessing this one. I am getting a message that somebody user ID 18 is accessing the same screen. So what I will do? I will enter here the user ID of others. In this case, it is showing my user ID only. Press enter. Select this all. This is select all. Select all. Delete. To close this, /I. See, here you will get the user ID of others. Copy this. Now cancel. Again go back to the T code. Press enter. See, this time this is in change mode. What we have to do here? This is very important setting. Why we are doing group together evaluation areas? In real time, this setting, this configuration will be done by FI Siva consultant. We are not responsible for group together evaluation areas. It will be taken care by FI consultant. So we are going to group these valuation areas. Valuation area, valuation group. What we have to do here? Click on position. Enter your valuation area. Valuation area is your plant 8801. You have to enter like this 0001. All standard companies delivered by SAP using this valuation grouping code 0001. See, many ADAS companies are using only 0001. So we are going to use the same one here. Save this. If you are missing this step, you are not going to post any entry in FI. That is the reason this is very important. Don't miss this. Follow strictly notes. Save this. Next step is to maintain a storage location. See, here I gave storage locations. To create the storage location, path is here, enterprise structure. Go to path, back, definition, material management. See, maintain a storage location. Click on this one. Enter here your plant 8801. Under this, I am going to have 2 0001, 0002 finished goods, damaged goods. Click on inventories. If you want, you can enter description trading goods as well. Here I am entering finished goods 0002. In real time, you will find more than 2. It could be 10 or it could be 15 based on the organization structure. Click on save. We have successfully created 2 storage locations under this plant. If address of the storage location is different from the plant, then you can enter address for your storage location as well. Go back. This is for one plant. We have to do the same for other plant. Click on storage location. This time enter 8802. Press enter. Click on inventories 0001. Back office store display. 0002 display. Next step is to create a purchasing organization. This we will discuss in next session.